Xiaomi 13 Pro with Leica cameras and Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 reaches India. After initially launching in China last year, the Xiaomi 13 Pro has now reached Indian and global shores. This flagship smartphone is another product of Xiaomi and Leica's partnership and comes with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset and more high-end features. Here is a look at the price and more details. Xiaomi 13 Pro, price and availability. The Xiaomi 13 Pro starts at €1,299, approximately 1,13,900 rupees, to take on the OnePlus 11, the iQOO 11, the Samsung Galaxy S23 and other flagship phones. Xiaomi 13 Pro, specs and features. Since the Xiaomi 13 Pro already made its debut a few months ago, we have an idea of what the product is like. The phone has the main highlight in the form of its camera system, which is backed by Leica. There is the 1-inch 50MP main camera with a Sony IMX989 sensor, also seen on the Vivo X90 Pro Plus, with high ProIs and octa-PD face focusing, accompanied by a 50MP Leica 75mm floating telephoto lens, and a 50MP ultrawide camera, also doubles as a 5cm macro camera. There is also a 32MP selfie shooter. The collaboration with Leica has led to the introduction of the classic 3D Leica colors, Leica native dual image quality, some of the Leica filters, and more. Other features by Xiaomi include the enhanced cyberfocus, the vlog studio mode, and Dolby Vision HDR, and there is so much to try. The performance part is known to be top-notch, thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 SoC, which is based on TSMC's 4nm process tech. You also get up to 12GB of LPDDR5X RAM and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage on the Xiaomi 13 Pro. The phone's chassis has bits of nanobiological ceramic too for a premium feel. You get a big camera hump and a punch-hole screen. It is a big enough 6.73-inch 2K OLED hyperbolic flexible LTPO display with a variable 120Hz refresh rate, 1900 nits of peak brightness, HDR10+, Dolby Vision, and SGS eye protection certification. It also supports an in-display fingerprint scanner and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. The 4820 mAh battery on the Xiaomi 13 Pro comes with the Xiaomi Surge chip for battery management and a fast and smart charging experience. There is support for 120 watts fast charging, 50 watts wireless charging, and 10 watts reverse wireless charging. The phone runs MIUI 14 based on Android 13. Additional details to note are dual 5G SIM support, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth version 5.3, 3400mm² ultra-large VC cooling, dual stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos, NFC, GPS Bedo GLONASS Navaisi, and an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance, among other things. Do let us know if you end up getting Xiaomi 13 Pro. Don't forget to share your experience in the comments below.